Hey guys, today we have a video about nuclear energy industry, the history of emergence, current state and perspective of nuclear power. Stay with us and you will find out more details. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video and click on the bell icon to get notifications. On December 17, 1938, a unique scientific discovery started a new era in the history of mankind. As a result of the experiment, a couple of chemical scientists found out that when the uranium nucleus is bombarded with slow neutrons, it bursts, decaying into lighter elements. Moreover, this process, called nuclear fusion, was accompanied by the release of energy. The prospects for a sensational find, peaceful and military, were obvious to scientists from the very beginning. The authors of the discovery were Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann. They worked at the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute of Chemistry in Berlin. During these days, Hitler's Third Reich was becoming more and more aggressive for the previous 6 years. We can only guess what mankind's fate would be if Hitler had received a nuclear bomb at his disposal. Anyway, the first atomic bomb with the name Trinity was collected in the summer of 1945 in the United States of America. And on June 16, 1945, at the atomic test site in Alamogordo Desert in New Mexico, the first atomic explosion on Earth was made. Later, on August 6, 1945, American bomber dropped the baby atomic bomb on the large Japanese city of Hiroshima. And on August 9, they dropped the second Fat Man bomb on Nagasaki. The destructive power of nuclear weapons was terrifying. The temperature under the plasma ball formed as a result of the explosion reached 4,000 degrees. About 80,000 residents of the city died instantly. Many of them turned to ashes in a split second. At the same time, USSR also worked to study the process of atomic decay and the reaction of an atomic bomb. In 1953, Soviets tested their nuclear bomb for the first time and continued the work of the development of the peaceful atom. The world's first pilot industrial nuclear power plant with a capacity of 5 megawatts was launched in USSR on June 27, 1945 in Obninsk. The launch of the first nuclear power plant marked the opening of a new direction in energy, which was recognized at the first International Scientific and Technical Conference on the peaceful use of atomic energy in Geneva on August 1955. All of it gave a huge impulse for the development of peaceful nuclear energy. Alongside with enormous advantages that nuclear power gives, it has serious problems with safety. On April 26, 1986, one of the worst accidents in the history of nuclear energy happened. This accident is the largest in the entire history of nuclear power, and the reason is the estimated number of people killed and affected by its consequences. The scale of the catastrophe was so enormous that scientists around the world unanimously insisted on a complete rejection of nuclear energy, believing that the planet could not withstand another catastrophe. However, the history of nuclear energy did not end there, which was not a surprise for many skeptics about the cause to ban the use of nuclear energy. Today, the development of nuclear energy is more focused on ensuring security for humanity. NPPs began to be designed and built with a more serious approach. Maximum attention is paid to their service. Scientists are constantly working to create absolutely safe conditions for energy production. The growing demand for electricity around the world and the need to develop and use safe, reliable and economical sources of electricity are pushing countries to build new nuclear power plants. 32 countries currently operate nuclear reactors to generate electricity. Currently, Europe, Asia Pacific and North America jointly operate 98% of the world's nuclear power. Within this group, its internal balance will change significantly during 20s to 30s as the share of the Asia Pacific region will vastly increase. China's growing interest in becoming the world's leading supplier of nuclear technology will drive the market over the next 2 decades. Some countries that currently have little or no nuclear power of their own are looking at this technology as a viable option to enhance their energy independence and to diversify their energy portfolio. Thanks for watching. This is all we have today. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos.